Okay, guys. So, when you are looking at warranty, you cannot just look in the computer. If you look in the computer and it comes up, then great. But if not, you're going to need to explore more. So, I'm going to go, if it comes up just all obsolete, you need to look at again. So, I'm going to go into the Rock On shared folder and then into the warranty info folder. And then I'm going to pull up this 2020 parts catalog. When the 2020 parts catalog comes up, you're going to find your search bar. It'll be different depending on your browser. And you're going to search for the mold number. In this case, it's super easy right here, obsolete, mold number 224. That's a 12-inch round seal. I don't know if you're telling me it's a egg tray insert. I'm not really sure about that, but it says 12-inch round seal, which is also a V seal. And it says C number 2827. So then you're going to put in your search bar 2827, and then I'll click to the next one. And then right here we have it obsolete again. So I'll click next to the, and aha, the third one, you're going to be in business. Large round seal, which is also a V seal. Large tab, no color choice. NCC means no color choice. And they can either buy it for 18 or the obsolete credit is 9. So you would order seal number 23, or you would order item number 2386. Okay. So I hope that helps.